If you're cleaning your carburetor on your dirt bike, ATV, or even an older side-by-side that's not fuel injected, you want to make sure it's done right so you don't have to go back in there. That's why I'm going to show you guys this jet cleaning tool from Helix. So one of the common mistakes I see people make is they spray their carburetor off with carb cleaner, but it's not actually clean. There's still varnish or residue left on the small holes or in the jets, and then the bike either doesn't run at all or doesn't run right. So what this is designed to do is work on any of those smaller holes. You've got 10 different wires to poke through there, and the smallest ones, they don't have any ribs on them, so they're not going to damage any of that smaller stuff. The larger ones, you just want to match that up with your main jet. And you know, even if you can spray through there with that carburetor cleaner, sometimes you have just a little bit of residue build up. You don't want to make the jet bigger, but you do want to make sure this pushes through and the ribs help take off that residue. So this is a really handy tool and cheap insurance if you're cleaning your own carburetor. I highly recommend it. It's inexpensive, and if you need one, they're available on our website, or just click the link in the description below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.